Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah, finally Regina Daniels gave birth to a baby boy. Children are joy of motherhood. They give a special and unique kind of joy to their parents. They are special gifts from God which no man born of a woman can give. Motherhood is superb. Even with all of its trials and lessons, nothing else can produce the joy motherhood allows. This is the case of our very own teen actress Regina Daniels. Recall that she wedded her billionaire husband Ned Nwoko last year. Sometime ago, she made new headlines that she was pregnant for her billionaire husband. Since then, everyone is expecting the day she would put to bed. Surprisingly, that day was yesterday. Regina Daniels had just put to bed a bouncing baby boy. This is good news. The long-awaited goodness has finally come. Having a child is a life-altering experience. No man can imagine going through this life without at one point feeling that spectrum of emotion. Giving birth is the most extreme measure of being alive to a mother. Nothing gives joy to parents than the ability to help shape a young mind. Find pictures of Regina Daniels and her baby. It was announced by Regina Daniels' brother on his official Instagram page last night. Yeah, guys, sending your congratulatory messages to Regina Daniels and Ned Nwoko. Okay, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.